Okay, the kerosene heater is together enough that I can actually attempt to light it. I do have batteries in it. There was a small issue down in the igniter. It was stuck on the actual burner. After freeing that up last night, I actually sprayed it with some PB Blaster. So actually I might move this all the way outside. I think it's going to smoke a lot. So move it outside, away from anything flammable, and we'll give this an attempt to fire. Okay, it's outside. Also, the wick has been soaking for more than an hour in the kerosene. That's what some of the video recommendations did say on first lighting with a new wick. So let's see what happens. I have not tried anything on this yet. Oh, well, you got low. Why should I shoot? I don't think I have the wick on. Okay, emergency off works. It's glowing. It's smoking. I do believe it's lit. Okay, I'm gonna play around with this a little bit and I'll come back. Okay, it seems like it's lighting, but I don't think I have enough kerosene in it. So we will come back to this at a later date. I'm gonna fill it up with some more kerosene and we will see what happens. So first attempt, half and half. It kind of lit, it didn't light, but we'll come back. So Dr. Miller, please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.